guys, this is Erik from SFM. We are talking today about the new pedal from Animals Pedal. The vintage van driving is very fun, overdrive boost. Animals Pedals is a line based in Japan of all true bypass, real durable aluminum enclosure pedals, very colorfully named and designed. The new overdrive is, well, it's two mode, overdrive and a boost mode. In the overdrive mode, it'll take an amp at lower volume settings to give it sort of a nice warm overdrive. If you crank up your amp a little bit, you'll start to be able to drive it into real nice tube saturated breakup sounds. On the boost mode, you can use it in line with another pedal to drive to boost up another pedal in line. You can drive your solid state amp or digital amp to give it a little bit more of the tube sounding breakup. You can go from clean boost to sort of more lower gain sound on the boost mode by controlling the drive control. All the artwork is done by the famed Australian artist Jonas Gleason, well-known pop artist who does all the artwork for Animals Pedal. And yeah, another great, affordable, and very effective tool in the Animals arsenal. And it is available now, shipping to dealers across North America.